Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Mango network token. Now before we start the video, let's say by legal disclaimer, this video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Mango network MGO is a layer 1 blockchain designed as a secure, modular and high performance multi-VM omnichain infrastructure network to unify and fragmented Web3 experience. Solves fragmentation. It addresses a key pain points like isolated users experiences and liquidity soil silos across different blockchains and DeFi protocols. Multi-VM architecture. The network natively support the Ethereum virtual machine EVM, More VM and Solana virtual machine SVM. Board developer access and interoperability. Modular and scalable, built with a modular blockchain designed and leveraging the Move programming language. It aims to provide security, sovereignty, and high throughput. Mango network token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 1.6 billion MGO token. MGO token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.